This is how you solve height of a parabola in chapter 2. Okay, with the information we got in from the equation, we're going to create this graph. Okay, here we go. 20, 40, 60, 80, etc. Okay, just expanding a bit. Okay, by doing so, by creating the graphs that we have from the information we gotten, we would create this arc for the graph that is needed to solve the equation for A, and then by doing so we will get this function y equals negative 16 over 2025 x squared plus 9 over 5x plus 3 over 2. That's how you solve for A. B, with the equation of y equals negative 16 over 2025 x squared plus 9 over 5x plus 3 over 2, what we want to do now is substitute x for 0. By doing so, we'd get negative 16 over 2025 times 0 squared plus 9 over 5 times 0 plus 3 over 2. And by doing so, and simplifying it, we will get 3 over 2 feet as the answer for B. Be sure to substitute x for 0. For C, y equals negative 16 over 2025 x squared plus 9 over 5x plus 3 over 2. Be sure to rewrite it for C. With C, we want to use this formula. X equals negative b over 2a. We find out what a, b, and c is from the function we have from the greatest to the lower. So negative 16 over 2025 is greater because it has x squared, and then 9 over 5x is b because it's the second greatest, and then 3 over 2 will be c because it's the least greatest. Okay, and then with that we will plug it in with the formula, which will have 9 over 5 all over the 2 times negative 16 over 2025, which then will equal to 9 over 5 all over the 32 over 2025, which will equal to 9 over 5 times 2025 all over 32, which will equal to 9 over 1 times 405 over 32, which will equal to 3,645 over 32. Then we'll plug in 3,645 over 32 with x, and then we'll have y equals negative 16 over 2025 times 3,645 over 32 squared plus 9 over 5 times 3,645 over 32 plus 32. And then with that, we'll get 104 feet. We can use the axis of symmetry formula for a parabola to find the horizontal distance where the max height occurs, and plug in x to the parabola equation to find the height. Okay, and with D, be sure to rewrite it. Here we go. Okay, then with D, we want to use this formula. X equals the negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And now we want to plug in what we have. Okay. Okay, and then by doing so, we'll get negative 9 over 5 plus or minus square root 9 over 5 squared minus 4 times negative 16 over 2025 times 3 over 2 all over 2 times negative 16 over 2025. Solve for when y equals 0 using the quadratic formula, which is what we did. Then ignore the negative root, as that would be behind the kicker. And because of that, we get x equals the negative 9 over 5 plus square root of 9 over 5 squared minus 4 minus 16 over 2025 times 3 over 2, all over 2 times negative 16 over 2025. And then for D's final answer, we'd get negative 0.83. And that's how we solve for height of a projectile in chapter 2.